emakhosini umhlambululi kuthiwa uchumana njani, how to communicate nama guides akho, uchumana njani? All right, number 1, uma udinga ama spirits amahle noma amadlozi amahle noma ufuna ukuguqula amadlozi amabi uwalethe ngapha ekukhanyeni, then into very important, you know ukuthi kwamele uthole inhlambululo, uaccepte amacala owayenzile namacala ayenziwe abantu bakini. Kuluzeke i-communication from usesemncane uyaphupha, amaphupho aphela as you grow up. Reason for that, sihlangana nabantu abangafanele sihlangane nabo, abanye banibonela impilo zenu nisesebancane ukuthi yebo umthakathi can see ukuthi lo mntana labazele umuntu odisturb into zami. Kukhona umntana omncane engekho aware ukuthi uyonivikela ekhaya. Kukhona isidakwa esumalume esu-auntie esumkhulu esinivikele, kodwa ke ngoba ama spirits ahlakaniphile, they can do anything ukuthi badide isitha. Isitha sifuna ukushaya only abasebenzayo abahle, kanti wena that is why ngithi asihloniphaneni emndenini, ngoba kuyenzeka ukuthi lo enizitshela ukuthi useless uyena njengomntana, umntana ezintweni zikamoya nizomthatha ngathi into yokudlala, kanti uye lo mntana ozaleke manje uye ispirit salo yamntana si powerful lo ukuthi akunamthatha ozongena la, akunamimoya ezongena la, kodwa you are quick ukuthi nicabange isinto. Let's say umntana entombazana thola ukuthi legazi walihlanganisa lalo muntu wesilisa owangaphandle ongamlobolanga ungathini, kodwa lo mntana akwazi ukuvika umoya wala. Sengikhuluma yama movie ama-China ne Matrix scientific movies nizibukela mahala, kodwa indaba ayikho lapho. Yini ezokuyenza ukuthi ucommunicate? We can communicate ne-spirit, singaxhumana nama-spirits amabi, amadlozi amabi namahle. So kukuwe ukuthi uma uloku wenza into embi, wazi ukuthi the day, angithi niqala ngokulwisa izitha, aniqali nge-foundation. Like for example, nyanga yami kunomuntu ongihlukumezayo emsebenzini noma ngifuna ukuthatha le ndoda akuphe, angithi woyicelile lento leyo ibambile, wazi ukuthi the day uthi uyophakamisa abantu abadala kuyophakama laba abakuncedile ababenza ububi. Ingabe ufuna ukucommunicate, ufuna ukuxhumana nababi noma nabahle, noma mawufuna, ngoba mawufuna ukuxhumana nabahle kwamele uzihlambulule, uhlambuluke ukuze nabo uzobahlambulula. Kodwa mawungaya straight direct ukuthi uyayiswa uyokhulumiswa namadlozi akho, like for example libuyela kule party yokuyenza umsebenzi ungazi ukuthi emsamo kuyenzwakalani, niloku niphakamisa ababi, baseseinsizini labantu abaka cross over, basese la emhlabeni, ama ghost la emhlabeni basafuna ukuncedwa nabo balekelelwe ukuthi cause thina laba esiphilayo manje generation siyizulu labangasekho, engakho they are using our body ukuthi masithi sihlambulula ugogo wakho simhlambulula ngawe. Sithela amanzi sithi sihlambulula ugogo owayethakatha, sihlambulula ugogo owayenza i-abortion, sihlambulula ugogo owangengenayo ukuthula wabulawa. Through wena the spirit esiphilayo ukuze impande yenu izokwazi ukuba nokuthula, ngoba uma simbiza nje ugogo uzoza ngegazi. Kukhona amadlozi esingawatholi masihlola, singawatholi a clean abahle. In as much as nani niyabaphupha ukuthi ngiphupha ugogo kodwa angekho esimene esi right, ngiphupha ubaba, ngiphupha umama, ngiphupha umntanami angekho esimene esi right. Le yakutshela ukuthi akahlelisekile la kahle, so udinga inhlambululo. So to communicate, how to communicate? Number one, you need to be cleansed. Ake nihambeni niye enyangeni abaprofite abathandazela ukuthi ngicela ungihlambulule. Ungayi ngenkulumo yokuthi hey into zami ngicela inhlambululo yokukhanya. Ungihlambululele nedlozi, then ke uyibambile, uyishayile. Yindlela ezokuyenza ukuthi ukwazi ukucommunicate, uxhumane nabakini. Kodwa uma ngoba i-rush hour ungeke uhlanjululwe, uhlambuluke, wayiswa emsamo, kwathiwa thenga imbuzi, kula izinto zizomosheka khona. Ne-communication ozobunayo izoqhamuka from kuphi? Kwababi. So ama-signs ukuthi yes uya-communicate nabo is through dreams. Ama-dreams mawavalekile wazi ukuthi there's no communication, you are disconnected nabantu abangasekho noma amadlozi ama-spirits amahle bayivalile ukuthi ungaboni, cause yini hayi ukuthi ba weak ukuthi angeke bamlwele umntanabo. Ngicela ukuthi we understand lento, not to say amadlozi noma sithi amathongo a weak, ithunywa zi weak ukuthi zi-forced communication. No, they can't, based on you choosing wrong things, choosing ukuya endaweni ezi-wrong. Once ungangcoliswa ngokukamoya, wangcoliswa wathangathwa wenzani, wazi ukuthi bacima i-communication, wafakelwa isilwane, iyo kakhulu into ethandiwayo. Wafakelwa isilwane wazi ukuthi basuke bafuna ukudisconnecta ngoba uyophila nalesilwane more than them. They can't reach you, they can't help you ukuthi ususe lesilwane. Into imimoya ibuyela kuphi? Imimoya yasemhlabeni igezwe emhlabeni ukuze sizoxhumana nemimoya yakamoya. You get my point? So now communication is through cleansing. Meanwhile ufocus cleansing, ukhuleka wenzani, izawuza kancane kancane uphupho. We communicating ngephupho, ibonakaliso. Sibonakaliso into oyibona mhlambe uthi uthatha nje inap nge 3 seconds nje, so phuphula uyala ibonakaliso leso. And then enye is through abantwana balaleliseni noma is through amaphara. La wenithi amaphara, iphara lingakusindisa ungekho aware, isidakwa singakusindisa. Abakini bangakhona because uyi-free spirit ngaleso sikhathi. So how to communicate is through umoya wakho mawuvulekile. Ingakho ngithi spiritual cleansing, so uhlambuluka, xolisa mawungaba muhle phakathi ngaphakathi lakho, ulihline, uncengise inhliziyo ukuthi iphole, yonke into izoba right. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.